Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Monumental Learning. This is phase 2, the present phase. So all you really have to do at this point is you're going to fire up the slideshow that is really already made for you. Now, this is the last part of the Monumental Learning slideshow. Notice there's a 10-minute timer. This 10-minute timer is going to let students know that this is the time where they're going to have to get everything ready because teams are going to be presenting their epic monuments in front of their peers, in front of the class. So they want to make sure that they have everything ready. If they're taking photos, right, they took a lot of photos and they probably put those on a Google slide presentation. They want to make sure that that's all ready to go and that what they maybe typed makes sense. And they're just kind of really getting everything set and ready, and maybe even deciding, who maybe from the team is going to be talking about different parts of their epic monument they're going to be sharing. So after that 10-minute timer is up, then they're going to present. So this is their chance, the team's chance to brag about all the things that make their team's monumental creation more impressive than the rest. So they're convincing the class why their group's build is the absolute best. This is an example from my class. My student is up presenting for her team. She's holding that epic monument that her team made, and in the background you can kind of see she has the Google slide up behind her. She's kind of reading off what her team wrote and why they feel their build is the best build. And here's another example. Again, a student has their Google slide up and they again are trying to present why they feel their build is the best build, their creation, their epic monument. And really you're talking about how does this creation really work with the Wonders Literature Anthology, the Tall Tales. So these are just some ways that they start to get ready for that presentation, and then they're going to go up in front of the class. So stick around for the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.